The 4800 PSI Electric Power Washer features an upgraded 1800-watt motor that delivers up to 4,800 PSI and 3.2 gallons per minute of water flow, making it ideal for a wide range of cleaning tasks. Its digital touchscreen allows for easy adjustment of pressure levels, providing up to 15 different settings to tackle anything from gentle garden watering to removing stubborn dirt. This power washer includes 5 quick connect spray tips, each designed for specific tasks, ensuring you have the right tool for cleaning everything from high areas to delicate surfaces. Designed with convenience in mind, it features a 3-section retractable pull rod and wheels, making it as easy to move as a trolley, and all attachments can be neatly stored on the unit. The product is backed by professional customer service, ensuring any questions or concerns are promptly addressed to enhance your overall experience. Manufactured by Fengrong, this electric pressure washer is built to combine high performance with user-friendly features, making it a valuable addition to any home.